Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to PsySigns, where we decode behavior and help you build emotional clarity. And today, we're diving into something both mysterious and powerful, the little things you do that make him crave you, without even realizing it. You see, attraction isn't just about looks or flirting. Sometimes it's the quiet, almost invisible things you do, your tone, your energy, your presence, that leave him replaying every moment with you in his mind. So let's talk about the subtle magic behind that pull. Here are 10 things you do that make him crave you like crazy without even knowing it. 1. The way you really listen. When you listen, not just to respond, but to feel what he's saying, it hits different. He feels seen, understood, and emotionally safe. And that's something rare. Most people listen to fix or to judge. But when you listen with warmth and curiosity, he feels something deeper, like your attention has its own gravity. He doesn't crave your body, he craves that peace. And when he craves that peace, he craves you. 2. Your calm confidence. There's a certain calmness that drives men crazy, not loud or cocky, but steady. It's the way you move like you trust yourself, even when you're uncertain. You're not chasing his approval. You're not trying to prove anything, and that quiet self-assurance pulls him in harder than any outfit or flirty line ever could. Because when you're grounded in your worth, you give him something no one else can: emotional safety with a spark. And emotional safety is what builds trust. 3. The moments you disappear. You don't text all day. You're not always available. And instead of panicking about that, you're comfortable letting the silence breathe. That space? It creates mystery. It gives him time to miss you, to think, to replay, to crave. He starts to wonder what you're doing, who you're with, and why he can't stop thinking about you. It's not a game. It's the natural pull of someone who values her own life as much as she values connection. This doesn't mean you shouldn't make time for him. No. This simply means you should learn to make time for both him and yourself. 4. Your emotional warmth. When you laugh, it feels genuine. When you speak, there's softness in your tone. You're not afraid to be kind or affectionate or feminine in a world that tells women to be detached. That warmth hits deep because most men don't get it often. They might get attention, but not nurturing. And when he feels it from you, even in small doses, he'll crave it like sunlight after a long winter. 5. The way you express boundaries. Here's a truth most people miss. Men actually respect and crave women who have boundaries. When you calmly say, "No," or "I don't like that," you're showing strength wrapped in softness. It's attractive because it says, "I know my value." And the moment you express that self-respect, he realizes he's dealing with a woman who won't just take anything, and that makes him want to earn your yes. 6. The playful unpredictability. You make him laugh when he least expects it. You tease him a little, surprise him with your humor, or say something that flips the mood from serious to sweet. It's that light unpredictability that keeps him hooked, because he never fully knows what's coming next, but he knows he loves being around it. You're fun, but not flaky. Mysterious, but not distant. That balance drives him wild. 7. Your independence. When your life doesn't revolve around him, it changes the entire dynamic. You have dreams, routines, friends, passions, and he feels that energy. Men don't crave women who need to complete them. They crave women who inspire them, women whose presence feels like an addition, not an escape. When you're busy creating your own happiness, he starts wanting to be part of it. 8. Your subtle affection. Sometimes, it's the small gestures that leave the biggest marks. The gentle touch on his arm when you laugh. The soft look that lingers a second too long. The way your voice lowers when you say his name. Those moments hit his nervous system like electricity. He won't even be able to explain it. He'll just feel it. And long after you're gone, his body will remember the energy of you. 9. The way you handle your emotions. You don't explode when you're hurt. You express it calmly, with honesty and grace. That emotional maturity, It's addictive. Because when a man realizes you can talk through things instead of turning everything into chaos, he starts associating you with peace. And trust me, peace is one of the rarest things men crave most. 10. The energy you leave behind. This one's the most powerful. Every time you leave him with a feeling. It could be joy, comfort, admiration, or curiosity, but it lingers. You're not trying to impress. You're just being fully you, authentic, alive, grounded. And that energy becomes your signature. He doesn't even know why, but he keeps coming back to it. And back to you. So remember, you don't need to chase, convince, or compete. The things that make him crave you the most are usually the things you do naturally when you're grounded in your own energy. And when you love yourself deeply, your presence alone becomes magnetic. Don't forget to subscribe, because here at PsySigns, we're building emotional clarity one truth at a time. See you in the next one.